So, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So, in this project, what I have done is that I have performed or made a seed of planning a GenAI application powered by the Llama 370V model. The objective of this seed is that to estimate the infrastructure, resources, and cost required to support the users at all the scaling level. So here I have done is that I have created a GenAI capacity planning in which I have created the parameters and its value. So I have taken here into the consideration is the active user means DAO means daily active user is around 10,000. Prompts slash user per day is that is equal to 10 means how many prompts are being written or sent by the user per day. So daily active users are around 10,000 and prompts per user per day is equal to 10. So the total prompts here will be around 1 lakh. So now we have to calculate the token usage because during the LLM models using the large language model we have to take the consideration of the token like the input tokens per prompt or the output tokens per prompt. So for every request we assume that 500 input token and 300 output tokens will be there. So this adding this to total will become 800. So with daily 1 lakh prompts per day, the token consumption will be around multiplying by the total input output tokens prompt per day and the total prompts per day. So it will be around 80 million tokens per day. So for calculating the month, we have scaled this to around 2.4 billion token. Now I have mentioned the model name also Llama 370B model we are using, and Llama 3 is a large language model developed by Meta, and the 70B means that the model contains 70 billion parameters, and and here one model tier OSS is there means the open source software, which means the organization which are using can deploy and run the model on their own infrastructure instead of relying on the external APIs. So we are using this huge large model. To serve this large model, we need to have a powerful compute resources also. For that, we have here GPU estimation, and I have selected NVIDIA A100 with a 80 GB memory. So what this GPU is that it has a graphics processing unit. So what it does is that it is used for machine learning and large language model inference. And the 80 GB memory allows us to store or efficiently runs our models such as Llama 370B while maintaining the low latency. Low latency means there will be less timing, so the user can take the output very efficiently. Now for the vector for the database we have used Pinecone. So what does the vector database does is that it stores embedded generated. Embedded means the model which we are using, it will be the token will be embedded generated from documents and user queries. Like for example, if a user asks the question, the query first is converted into a vector, and here we are using the Pinecone, and what Pinecone does is that it will search for the most relevant information using the semantic searches. Semantic searches means it will do index searching like that. So this architecture, so this is mainly done in order for retrieval augmented generation. So like this, we have created the LLM API cost, which is zero in my case, and GPU cluster cost is around 1800. API gateway cost is around 0.5. So the vector DB cost is around 386. The total is 2186 point something is there. So this is how I have done the capacity planning, and now on the browser I will show you how the things are being working. So the daily active here in the browser, you can see that we have taken the daily active users prompts per day is 100, tokens per prompt average we have taken 500, output tokens per prompt average 300, and model llama 370 we have used, and GPU type you can select any type of you want, and the model here also is there like Claude 3 Opus, Claude 3 Sonnet, whatever the model you want, and vector DB type Pinecone I use, and we have used the we have used, wait for some second. So here we have used the vector dimension 1536, and the total vectors is in the millions 10. API gateway request per second is during the peak hour is 500. So what the vector dimension does is that it is represents the size of embedding stored in Pinecone. In our case, we have taken 1536 dimensional embedding, meaning each document is converted into a vector, means each document which the user queries will be containing 1536 numerical values for semantic search and retrieval. Like this the vector dimension occurs. So if I will here decrease the daily active user, you can see the key metrics calculation. So it is giving me 1k prompts per day, 500k inputs per day, tokens per day, 300, like this. So we will see the inference how the things are working. So the here the total token per month will be 20 million DAO 100 users we have taken, and GPU estimation, like the monthly cost will be of using the GPU will be around $2520. And for the API gateway, what does the API does is that it takes the request so that the process can be running smoothly. And for the vector DB, we are being paid around $383. Cost estimation total monthly will be $2903. So here one more thing is there, we are comparing this OpenAI with the open source. So for the factor we have taken the cost per 1 million tokens, cost per 1 million tokens output, latency, max context window, upfront cost, data privacy, custom fine tuning, reliability, model variety, scaling effort, monthly cost at the rate 100k per users per day. So for the API, you can see we have got like this much dollar 60.00, and for open we have got dollar 2900. So this is how the things are being working, and when you need for high volume, then the open source llama will be used, and for if you want to low volume, the open AI flexibility, then open source llama, and if you want managing cheaping cheaper one, so OpenAI will be there. So like this the things are being planned when you are designing a capacity plan for a Gen AI. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If there is any pointers you can add, so comment below in the comment section. So thank you very much. This is from this video. Hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you very much. I am wrapping this session.